Hello, fruit lovers, welcome back to Half Tuber 81. Hidden beneath Kerala's rainy skies, something vibrant ripens with every drizzle, Rambutan. With its wild, hairy skin and sweet, translucent heart, this tropical treasure isn't just a fruit. It's a story, rooted in soil and savored with soul. In the early monsoon months, gardens across Kerala burst into color. Rambutan trees, brought here years ago, have now found a home in our soil. The branches sway, heavy with fruit, their crimson skins glowing like lanterns. So you've probably seen this wild-looking, spiky fruit showing up everywhere. From your local grocery store to your friend's Instagram story. It honestly looks like something from outer space. Right, what is it? And more importantly, how in the world do you eat it? Well, today we're going to break down everything you need to know about the rambutan. I'm going to show you how to pick the best one, the absolute easiest way to crack it open, and we'll figure out what it actually tastes like. It might look a little crazy with that hairy shell, but trust me, by the end of this, you'll be a total pro. First things first, what are we even looking at? This is a rambutan, a tropical fruit that's originally from Southeast Asia, specifically places like Malaysia and Indonesia. And the name makes total sense. It comes from the Malay word rambut, which literally means hair. If you're thinking it looks a lot like a lychee, you're not wrong, they're in the same plant family. So they're basically cousins. While they've got some things in common, the rambutan has its own unique vibe that we're about to get into. All right, how do you pick a good one? This part is super important because, unlike bananas or avocados, rambutans don't ripen anymore after they're picked. What you buy is what you get. You'll want to look for ones with a really vibrant, bright red skin. Some types can be yellow or orange, but a strong, solid color is a great starting point. Then take a look at the spines, the hairs. You want them to look fresh and firm, not all dried up or turning black. Give the fruit a little squeeze. It should feel firm but have just a tiny bit of give, which tells you it's nice and juicy inside. Definitely skip any that have big soft spots, blemishes, or just look kind of dull, as they're probably already past their best. Okay, now for the main event. How do you open this thing? It is so much easier than it looks. And don't worry, those soft little spines are completely harmless. My favorite method doesn't even need a knife. Just find the little seam that runs around the middle. Hold it with both hands and press with your thumbs until the skin splits open. After that, you can pretty much just peel the skin right off. When you open it up, you'll see this gorgeous, translucent white fruit that looks a whole lot like a peeled grape. The texture is juicy and smooth, sometimes a little creamy, but also with a firm bite. As for the taste, it's this awesome mix of sweet with a little bit of a floral note and a hint of sourness. Most people say it tastes like a cross between a grape and a lychee. It's usually a bit sweeter and creamier than a lychee. It's just incredibly refreshing. So there you have it. The rambutan is no longer a weird, spiky mystery. We've covered how to pick a great one by looking for that bright color and fresh spines. We've learned how to open it with just your hands or a small knife. And we've talked about its sweet, floral taste that's a lot like a grape or lychee. This hairy fruit isn't so scary after all. It's just a really fun and delicious tropical treat. I'm curious, have you ever tried a rambutan before? What did you think it tasted like? Drop a comment below and let me know, and don't forget to share this sweet story. See you soon with some other interesting video. Till then, eat healthy and stay fit. Thanks for watching.